they're generally willing to do more and try more. And so for me, getting some preseason time is going to be crucial for JJ McCarthy. Again, are people going to put success that JJ McCarthy has on JJ McCarthy? Are they going to say, hey, he did this? Or are they going to say, this was Kevin O'Connell and this is a system quarterback and it happened to work well when it comes to these quarterbacks, right? Again, Sam Darnold, I would consider him a journeyman now, right? He's already in Seattle. He had a great year last year in Minnesota, and he's already on a different team. Now, a lot of that has to do with the fact that he invested a first-round pick in J.J. McCarthy. But again, a lot of people put that success Sam Darnold had on Kevin McCarthy.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, tell me your takes. This is Bad Takes from Bad Takes in Football, signing out.